Recently, time changed. Did you guys enjoy that hour? I know I did. Now, most of us don't even have to think about it because our cell phones update automatically. But did you know that when time changes, that's a really good time to start thinking about those smoke detectors? Many people replace their 9-volt batteries in their smoke detectors twice a year. Once when time springs forward in spring, and then again when time falls back during autumn. Safety is our number one concern, and it should be yours too. That's why it's very important that you have working smoke alarms in the event of a fire. Here are some important tips to follow. Check your smoke detector monthly to ensure that it's operational. If your smoke detectors are over 10 years old, they need to be replaced. Call 311 to get them replaced or the batteries changed. Most importantly, let your family know what to do if the smoke alarms go off while they are sleeping. First, you should be sleeping with your bedroom door closed. If the alarms go off, get down to the ground and crawl to the bedroom door. Check to see if it's safe to even open the door. To do that, you can touch the door handle. If it's hot, do not open the door. Now, if you can't open the door, crawl to your second exit, which is your window. Open the window, push out any bug screens, and climb out feet first. Once you're out of the window, go ahead and go to your family meeting place and call 911. Thanks for watching these daylight savings smoke detector safety tips. Be sure to check your smoke detector and get it replaced if necessary. And also, discuss and practice going to your family meeting place. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.